Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 1, Day 5. So we're going to start by listening to sounds and making them into words. Men, less, d, bed, neck, met, send. Okay, now this time we're going to say a word. I'll say a word and we're going to break it into its sounds. Red, d. 10, t, n. Yell, ol. Pen, n. Sled, ol, d. Head, d. Now remember with sled, sol is not the first sound because sol's not in the alphabet. We have to break apart the sol. S-ol, d. Okay, so remember that with our blends. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds. We're reading R words with R and S blends. 3, 2, 1. Brag. 3, 2, 1. Frog. 3, 2, 1. Sled. 3, 2, 1. Dress. 3, 2, 1. Smell. Let's blend this. Leg. Change the ol to b. Beg. Change the, beg. Change the b to p. Peg. Change the g to n. Pen. Change the p to m. Men. Change the m to d. Den. Change the n to ol. Del. Change the d to t. Tell. Change the t to b. Bell. Change the b to s. Sell. Change the s to w. Well. Add an s at the top. At the front. Swell. Change the ol to t. Sweat. Now even though there's ea, remember it says today. Here are our high frequency words. 5 times. Again, 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 again. Rex fell down again. Help, 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 help. Can you help fix this mess? New, 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 new. Will you help the new kid? There, 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 there. There is my red pen. Use, 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 use. Tell Ben to use a net. Here is our story for today. Hap hid the ham. This is Hap, and he's going to hide Ham. Here are some words you'll see in our story. 3, 2, 1, my. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, see. 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, it. 3, 2, 1, in. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then we'll read it together. Together. Hap hid the ham. Your turn. Together. My dad had a hot ham. So there's that hot ham. It just came out of the oven. Your turn. Together. Hap hid it. Your turn. Together. Dad did not see it. Dad had to sit. So he knows it's missing. Maybe he feels so bad he needs to sit because that took a long time to make the ham. Okay, here's the next one. You go first. Together. Dad had a hot pan. There's my hot pan. Dad had a tin can. There's the tin can. Okay, your turn, and I'm going to do it at the top so then I can do it in the middle next. Okay, your turn. Together. Oh, go ahead. Now together. Hap hid the ham. See it in my hat? So there's Hap. And there's that ham. It's hiding in her hat. Okay, friends, we have 2 more activities for today. The first is reading words automatically. With automaticity, that means you look at it, you think it, you say it. Now some of these have ED, which it means an action took place in the past, and you don't have to read those in your head. I'll give you a little more time on those. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, pen. 3, 2, 1, Jen. 3, 2, 1, yelled. 3, 2, 1, press. 3, 2, 1, step. 3, 2, 1, smelled. 3, 2, 1, 10. 3, 2, 1, red. 3, 2, 1, bed. 3, 2, 1, dressed. 3, 2, 1, sled. 3, 2, 1, bread. 3, 2, 1, mist. 3, 2, 1, bell. 3, 2, 1, deaf. 3, 2, 1, packed. 3, 2, 1, sweated. 3, 2, 1, gets. 3, 2, 1, vet. 3, 2, 1, smell. And here is our last slide. How do you know which word or words in a sentence are nouns? So if you remember our song, that will help you know. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Again, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Okay, let's read this sentence. A sled moves down the hill. I'll read it one more time, then we'll find the nouns. A sled moves down the hill. Okay, let's sing our song. A noun is a person. Do we have a person in that sentence? No. Do we have a place? Not really. A sled moves down the hill. Do we have a thing? Yes, and we actually have two things. A sled is a thing, moves down the hill. A hill is a thing. Okay, friends. I will see you later. Bye, everyone.